Today, I'll be guiding you through the ZNS Connect and how to mint your own domain name. First, head over to znsconnect.io. Click on Launch App, and it should redirect you to another page. Click on Connect Wallet. Connect your wallet and sign the message to verify. Click on your wallet address to make sure that you're connected to Shardeum mainnet network. If not, click on Switch Network and scroll down until you see Shardeum mainnet and click on it. Enter the name that you'd like for your domain and click on .shm. Once done, you should see your domain name. Click on Add to Cart and then click on Continue to Cart. You can also increase the amount of time you'd like to keep the domain for. The longer the time period, the more SHM you'll need to purchase it. Click on Complete Purchase and confirm the transaction. And there you have it. You have successfully minted your own domain. You can check out your profile by clicking on View Profile. You can make edits to your profile by clicking on Manage Profile. Furthermore, you can enter your personal info. And you can add the links to your socials. Next, I'll be showing you the GM feature. Click on GM and search for Shardeum. If you're on the Shardeum network, you'll see the option GM on Shardeum. Otherwise, you'll have the option to switch your network. Click on it and confirm the transaction. There you have it. You'll have a 24-hour waiting period till you can do it again. Keep on coming back to continue your streak. Next, we'll be looking at how to deploy a smart contract. It's the same procedure as the GM. Click on Deploy Smart Contract and click on Deploy on Shardeum. Confirm the transaction. That's it. There's also a 24-hour waiting period for this as well. That's all.